I'm a seller, parang as a certified investment solicitor, I solicit investment from my clients to invest to this basket of funds. Kasi merong special baskets like ESG fund, environmental, social governance. May mga ganong klaseng basket. In fact, there are so many baskets, but there are three main baskets, meaning the first basket is conservative funds, which is normally yung government bonds.
Okay.
Yung second basket is moderate funds, meaning that is 50% government bonds and 50% equities, which is corporate account. And then the third basket is the aggressive one. Ito yung mga stock market. So yun yung mga three major baskets.